You always sit out here at night.
And you always find me, my prince.
Why do you always wear that glasses? I know you had surgery, but come on, you can as well remove the glasses.
Well, this is just a protective shield from too much light.
Too much light. You have beautiful eyes.
Hey. You sounded urgent, my daughter. I hope you have not caused another trouble.
Come on, Father. No, I have not done anything like that. Not at this time. Rather, I am trying to do better.
Better, you said?
Yes, Father.
So what did you propose?
Father, it is time. The marriage ceremony must hold. I mean, I need to give Umomako an heir as soon as possible, so I need you to urge them to be fast.
My daughter, your dowry has already been paid.
I know, Father.
So you can conceive anytime. But for now, the prince is busy with the kingdom affairs. So this is not time for grand ceremony. It is not time.
Father, I know, but you know, we need to do this.
See, you can carry an heir, but allow the prince to focus on the kingdom project. That is what a good wife does. Huh?
Of course, Father. I mean, anything for the good of Umomako and Umuchu. I really hope it's not too late.
No, it won't be too late. Hmm? It won't be too late. So calm down. Everything must be put in place. Enano? Good.
My princess, I didn't know you visited. How's marital life treating?
I know about your plans. Chi and my mother. I know what you two are planning.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, please don't play dumb with me, or no. Listen carefully. I warned you. Do not act yet. You have to wait until I am pregnant with an heir before you can execute your silly, dirty little plan. And then, no one will dare push me aside.
You know you don't have to talk to me like
Oh,
that.
please excuse me like I care. Amarachi! Amarachi! Amara! Amarachi!
Son,
Mother.
it's time you get Princess Chibona pregnant. Yes. This marriage is not about love. It's about duty.
Well, there's no need for the rush, Mother. Must everything be about duties?
Yes, in all honesty, my son. Royalty is all about duty. Duty above self.
Mother, I'd like to know, was your marriage with father arranged?
Yes. It was arranged. And as you can testify, we were happy and we lived peacefully.
Peacefully. Were you ever a headache to father?
Nope. I know my place. And I know my limits.
Then you and Chibuna are not sane. She's going to kill my peace.
That if she hasn't killed it already.
My son, no king has peace. But kings has duty. Your duty is to ensure that this alliance is sealed in blood.
Wow. I've agreed to your plans, my friend. The 1,000 acres of land and a Bible. The land is worth 1 billion naira.
That's my guy. Now you're speaking my language.
All that is left is for the king to sign without even knowing what he's signing.
Exactly. Leave all that for me. I can handle it.
This is good. I like this. Wow, I like this.
My main person. My main person, Shop Knuckle.
Wow.
My queen, do you think we are doing the right thing? Exchanging our son's happiness to a mere business deal. Do you think is the right thing to do, my queen?
Your Majesty, it is the right thing for the entire kingdom. The right question here should be, is it the right thing for our son? Is it what he wants?
Happiness. Happiness. It is not too much to ask for happiness from a prince of this noble kingdom. Is it much?
Don't say that, Amarachi. You're beautiful. And you deserve everything you want. If the prince was not betrothed, I think you make a perfect bride for him. Yes, someday you get to meet me. Bye.
Your Majesty, you came at the right time.
You sound unusually excited this night.
Let's toast to success. Our grand project is moving so smoothly. Soon our kingdom will be richer than ever, and your name will be sung for generations.
You sound so excited this night. Unlike you. Are you celebrating the project or something else?
Your Majesty, what else could make me as happy as I am? What else could give me joy? If not the success of our kingdom. Please, let's toast and drink up. We need to celebrate our fortune.
You and your dramatic toast this night. Anyway.
Majesty.
To the success of our kingdom.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Happy New Month, my good friend. I told you. I'll keep calling you until you tell me who you are.
And what if I never get to tell you?
Then I'll keep calling you forever.
Forever? Forever is a long time, you know that, yeah?
Tell me, do you have a wife and kids?
I'm soon to be married.
Well, she must be a really lovely woman. And She's lucky to have you.
Amarachi, how dare you answer a call while on duty? Who gave you the right? Will you shut up your mouth? I don't want to see you with your phone again. You are a male servant. You do not deserve even a distraction. I said you should kneel down. Kneel down right now before I cut off your legs.
No, Mama. This woman trying to be laughing. You're always squeezing your face. I have good news for you. Yes.
Okay, let's hear it.
I want to marry Amarachi, your daughter.
Again. Do you have sense in this thing you carry on your head that is brain? Something you asked when my daughter was disabled, when she was blind, when she had an accident that almost cost her legs, you did not get. Is it now that she's healthy that you get?
See, let me tell you something. You know fully well that me and your daughter will love each other. The kind of love we share, nobody understands it. Just me and her. Just me and her. Just know that. Already, you know that already. So there's no need to argue.
Ikenna, it is you that is claiming love for my daughter. My daughter do not love you. Do you hear me? And why even beating around the bush? You cannot marry her. She's your cousin.
Me and you know the truth. She's not related to me by any means or blood. She's not my cousin. You know the truth. Stop hiding from the truth. I will marry her and you know that.
There is no need wasting my time talking to you, because it will be over my dead body that she will marry you. Do you hear me?
You shall see. I must marry her and you will do nothing about it.
Vagabond.
Me, vagabond. Just have it in mind that the truth will be out one day. I must marry her and you will do nothing about it.
In your grave.
You too.
Amarachi. What is it? Why are you here by this time? You're supposed to be at your work. Mama, I've been fired by the princess. She caught me making a phone call during work hour. She fired me, but before then, she smashed my phone. She smashed your phone? What nonsense is that? Is she mad? No, Mama. No, it's not necessary. In all of this, there's good news. The Good Samaritan, who paid for my surgery, is none other than Prince Izuna. The Prince of Umujo Kingdom. Yes, Mama. He recognized me, but he told me he wanted to remain anonymous. He has been so good to me, even in the palace. I just didn't even know he was in the same compound with me. And now that the princess says she doesn't trust me around the prince. That peacock of a princess. I know she must be afraid of you snatching the prince away from her. Mama, that's not even my concern right now. What concerns me is how to see the prince again, to thank him properly for all he has done for me. That's it. we'll find a way around it. Hmm?
What have you done, Jibuna? What in God's name have you done?
Can you stop shouting? I don't understand. Explain.
You fired Amarachi. Can I know why?
I fired her. And?
What makes you think you have the right to do that?
Izuna, I do not need anybody's permission to fire my maid. I don't trust her anymore!
She was my maid and under my protection!
Protection! Izuna, did you just hear yourself speak? No, do you see how ridiculous you sound? For a girl that doesn't even know what you look like! You know, it's very obvious that you have feelings for this girl.
Mind your choice of words. I warn you.
And if I decide not to? Oh, I touched a nerve, right? Now listen and listen very clearly. Izuna, I am not joking with you. I do not want to ever see you close to that dirty thing called Amarachi ever again. Am I clear?
What makes you think you can command me?
Honestly, I do not even know.
Then you listen and listen good. You may command my mate, manipulate my parent, but you can never command me.
Izuna!
Yeah, sometimes we preach patience and perseverance because we are not the victims. Yeah.
My king.
So, hello, I'll be with you in a jiffy.
My father-in-law. Tell me, what crime have I committed? What have I done to deserve such disrespect?
What is it, my daughter? Talk to me clearly. I'm your king.
My king, it is your son. My future husband, Prince Izuna. He has humiliated me in the worst way possible.
What did he do?
My king, can you imagine? Can you imagine that Prince Izuna is being unfaithful to me? Oh yes, he's cheating. And not just with any other person, but my own personal maid, my king. A girl that is supposed to serve me. A girl that is supposed to bow before me. My king, what kind of shame is this?
To this regard, what do you think? Do you want to leave the marriage?
What?
No. Since my prince, my own son, have started disrespecting you no matter what you represent, I think the best option is for this union to be terminated. What nonsense was that? But what do you think?
So this is what everybody wants. My king, you want to get rid of me. Princess Chibuna, you want me to go back to my father's kingdom in disgrace?
No, my daughter, have I said anything like that? I am only giving you option. I want you to make a choice for yourself. It's optional, my daughter.
You want me to leave? You and your son want me to leave. There is no problem. I will leave. You want me to leave? I will leave. No, you want me to end this marriage. You want to end this marriage without any repercussion.
I did not.
No, my king, that is not going to be possible. I will call my father. Oh yes, I will tell him to terminate the contract that is holding these two kingdoms. I'm sure you are going to like it.
Don't ever do that, my daughter. No, it has not got into that. Oh, no. I do not mean any harm. I'm only giving you the privilege to make a choice.
wish.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No, pick the damn phone. Pick the damn phone. God. He's gone. He's gone. Oh my goodness. 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 Oh, the land. Who was thrown away with all the money we sold from the land? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do if the king finds out? If the king finds out, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? No. If he finds out what I have done, if he finds out I've sold all the land, I will not survive it. 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 No. Why? Why do you have to do this to me? No. There's no way. There's no way I will allow the king to find out what I have done. The best thing is for me to go pack my things and leave. I can't stand this shame. I can't stand this shame. I have to go before it's too late.
Hey. Do you know where Amarachi is from? I mean her village exactly.
My prince, I know she's from this village, but I don't know the exact place.
Alright, I think I have an idea on how to find her.
Hey. What does he want? Nothing, my princess. He only asked if I know where Amarachi lives.
What?
Every time I look at you, my soul gets
Your Highness.
My
prince. Welcome to our humble abode.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Amarachi, I got this for you.
A phone! A phone?
Yes, to replace the one that was destroyed.
Thank you, Your Highness. Although you shouldn't have, even though I know I won't return it. This is a phone. Yes, Mama. Oh, this big thing is a phone. It is. I don't understand a big woman. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Phone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's okay, I can start. Oh my God, thank you. I really appreciate this. Thank you.
Sit here. So how have you been?
Very well. Thank you. My prince.
Mama, you didn't have to do this.
I have to. I know it's not a royal meal, but please manage it. I just want to thank you for everything you've done for my daughter, from the payment for her surgery to your kindness in the palace. I'm married for
Yes, I'm fun too. Thank you.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama. And I must say, this is the most royal meal I've ever received. Thank you, Mama. I'm going to eat this. Please give me water.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Huh? Now that was a nice meal.
My mother did all of that.
Your mother is a great cook.
That she is. Well, Your Highness.
Yeah.
I would like to apologize.
Apologize for what?
For everything I said to you over the phone. I never knew it was you I was speaking with.
Did you mean those words?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter. Because Amarachi, I love you.
You what?
Yes. I do love you. And I know you love me too.
No. No, I can't. You are married to the princess.
I am not married to the princess. I'm only betrothed to her. Okay? And I do not want her. I want you.
Every time I look at you, my soul gets dizzy. Hearing your voice alone
And yes, I want you.
makes me happy. Oh, baby, I am so in love.
Your Majesty, please forgive my instructions. We have just discovered that the queen has gone.
What did you just say?
Her belongings, everything is missing.
What is going on? Have you searched everywhere in this palace?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and search everywhere and come back and give me the feedback. What? Give her that bunker.
Your Majesty, the Olowo's wife is outside. She said the Olowo has been missing since yesterday. And up to this moment, they have not seen him.
Have they been kidnapped?
I don't really know, Your Majesty.
Wow, what is going on? Could it be the same people that sold our land? Huh? Have they silenced them forever? Go and get me my phone so that I call the police immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Do that fast. What is going on? The queen is nowhere to be found, even the Olowo.
Father, you sent for me so urgently. What happened? Did my father not say anything to you?
Not at all. But I will contact him. There is a problem.
A problem?
Yes, a huge one for that matter. But I will not take it lightly. Yes, precaution has already been taken.
Father, I'm confused. I'm yet to understand what you're talking about. What is the problem? What is going on?
Your mother. She has been kidnapped. And the ones that took her are the ones that have stolen from me. They sold all our land. The kingdom is due my daughter. Hi!
Kidnapped, Father. Is that what you think?
What do you think?
Father, have you considered if there was no kidnap? I mean, my beloved mother and Olowo have taken their love escapade out of this kingdom. Have you considered that?
What are you saying?
Father, can't you see? It is staring at you. It is glaring. My mother and Onowu is having an affair. Oh yes, Father, relax. I know it is very hard for you to comprehend, but that is the truth. Father, they have stolen from the kingdom. They've sold everything they can sell. And now that their pocket is full, they ran away. They left the kingdom.
Lies. Ah, that cannot be. What are you talking?
Lies? My father thinks I'm lying. Fine, there's no problem. Go ahead. Call the police. Let them search for a woman who's already sipping wine with her lover in another country, I guess.
My own Ifunanya. Eh? My own queen. And my brother, oh no. What?
Excuse me, Father. I will have to take my leave. I mean, I have my own problems to deal with. I would like to take my leave now. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Who are you?
Oh, Olachi. Do you think you could escape me?
I am not Olachi. I'm Amarachi.
Amarachi, what is it? What happened?
Mama, I have finally seen his face. The man who has been chasing me in my dreams all the while. It's the Onowu.
Obianuju, my queen, I think we have to forget everything about this project for now. My son's life is paramount here. He's been distant, troubled, so worried, and with an unfulfilled heart. I am beginning to think that this marriage is nothing but a curse, it's not a blessing. And we have to jettison it with speed. I do not want to lose my son. No. I don't want to lose him.
You are right. I have seen the changes in our son. He has lost his light, his spirit. And if we should push forward, we will break him completely. So, we must back out immediately for his own sake.
Greetings, my king and my queen. I'm sorry, I do not mean to intrude, but I cannot keep this information from you two anymore. I am with child.
You mean you are with our grandchild?
Yes, my queen.
What a great news! What a joyous news!
The full moon is my glow. You're with your child.
Yes, my king.
And that changes the entire situation. I am happy. I'm going to carry my grandchild. I want to believe my son will also be happy. I'm happy.
Ajụjụ ka ihe. Ije ga-egbu ngwe onwe. Udo dịla ọnụ, udo dịla ahụ. Ife na-eme na bi igwe ka anyị na-ajụ asị. Ife na-eme na bi igwe na-ekwe m gosi anyị ụzọ. Gosi anyị ụzọ. Igwe, the wind are restless. The spirits murmur. They are not far.
Where are they? Are they safe?
Igwe, in the next 4 market days, the queen and the noble shall be back in this palace. From wherever they are, fate shall pull them back. The gods have decreed it.
I shall wait for them. And when they return, they will answer for their betrayal.
That they shall.
Amarachi, I know this is unexpected, but I need you to hear me out.
I've had enough, my prince. You are married to the princess. You belong to another.
I do not belong to her, okay? My heart, my soul belongs to you.
This doesn't feel right.
It is right, Amarachi. It has always been right. I love you. I mean, it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with. I want to take you to the palace to meet my family, my father. Okay? Please. Tell me you don't feel sane. And trust me, I will never disturb you again. Tell me.
I love you too.
That settles it. Henceforth, you are mine. Okay? You are mine. We're going to see my people. The woman I want to marry. Her name is Amarachi. My parents.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
So, this is the girl. The one you have chosen over the princess of Umomako Kingdom.
Oh yes, mother. This is the woman I want to make my wife. The woman after my heart.
Son, this is unacceptable by me. Who is she? She is not of any form of royalty. No royal blood flows in her system. She has no status, a low life. Not in any way connected to royalty. Son?
Well. I suppose it's time I share my good news. Prince Izuna. I am pregnant. I am carrying the heir to the throne.
That's not possible.
Oh, you so wish it is, but apparently it is not. I am carrying the heir to the throne of Umuchu Kingdom. The doctor has confirmed me pregnant. And as for you, you will continue to be a mere distraction to the prince.
Hey. You will regret this.
Oh, I will regret nothing, sweetheart.
What do you mean by that? How can you be pregnant after one time of intercourse?
Isn't what sort of stupid question are you asking me? How many times does the man have to meet a woman before she gets pregnant? Are you that dumb?
I will not accept that. I will not accept that. I demand a paternity test as to ascertain the origin of that child.
Fine! A paternity test you will get. But by the time the truth is out, I mean the truth of what I know, I will take my child and I will leave this palace.
I have been blind. So blind. My first wife. My beloved. The best woman that ever walked into my life. She truly loved me. And I allowed Onowu to deceive me. He poisoned my mind and made me believe that she was unfaithful. He gave me another woman and said she was the best for me. And now, she has showed her true colors. She stole from me. She betrayed me. And now, she even ran away with the same man that destroyed my happiness.
Igwe, the wind carried whispers, and the earth buried secrets. No lies hidden remains forever. The time of reckoning approaches. King Ikejindo, they will return, and when they do, the truth shall rise like the sun from the east.
How could you do this to me? How could you betray me with a mere guard? How?
My king, I swear upon the gods, I am innocent. I didn't do such a thing.
Lies from the pit of hell. My king, I saw them with my own eyes. In the darkest of the night, hidden in the shadows, my king.
Take the guards to the dungeon. Make sure he rots there for trying to defile my queen. Did you hear what I said?
My king, you must do the needful. Betrayers like this are not allowed to stay with you in the palace. She must not go unpunished. It's an act of disrespect and disregard to your person.
My king, please. I am innocent. I've been faithful to you. It's only you I have, my king,
Make
please.
sure you throw her out of this palace. All right, my king. She's banished from this kingdom. Do you hear what I said?
My king, please. My king.
Hey, respect yourself. I don't want to bring in the guards here. You heard what the king said.
My king,
You are banished.
That?
I wouldn't want to bring in the guards here, so respect yourself.
Oh no, please, oh no.
Move!
My king, please. Oh no, please.
You heard what the king said.
You are banished. My king, I didn't know, my king. Oh no, please, please.
You don't have to do this, Chibuna. You and I know the truth. This child is mine. And I'm ready to take responsibility. I'm ready to take care of you and the baby.
I'm ready to take care of you and the baby. Do you have what it takes to take care of me? What can you give to me? Love? Or maybe a very small house somewhere? You want to give me a common life like a common woman? Jude, let me ask you, is that what I deserve?
No. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be loved and cared for. Not with all these lies and everything.
Love. Should I honestly tell you what I think about love? Love is meant for fools. Oh yes, I don't deal with love. Should I deal with power? I am a woman of power, and power is being bought with wealth. Do you understand that? I'm giving you 30 million. 30 million naira.
I don't understand. What is this for, please?
That you will not mention to anyone under any circumstances that you are the father of my child.
What?
Oh yes. Not to my family, not to the prince, and not even to yourself.
And what if I don't accept this offer?
Definitely you will regret it. But you know, Jude, you can actually do something for me. And I am going to triple this money, believe me. If you do something for me, something very dangerous. And honestly, I'm not even scared. I know that you will do it because you love me so very much. Love.
What could that be?
This is unlike you, my child. I hope my child is safe. Amarachi, this is unlike you. It's night, and you're not home. No, there's no going. Let me try it again. She's safe.
Come to me, my friend.
Come and touch my friends. I want to let you know that we are meant to be together. Come, let me show you.
I can't do this.
But why? My friends, I am your wife. Your wife to be. I'm carrying your child. Or haven't you come to accept reality?
You and I know the reality is not what you paint it to be. If that child is truly mine, I will love him. But mind you, I do not love you. Yes, ma'am.
My prince. My prince. Please, I hope Amarachi is not with you. She's not there. She has not come home. And this is not unlike my child.
Amarachi is missing. I've not spoken to her since I left that house. But do not panic. I'm going to find her.
I just hope she's safe. I hope she's safe.
I'll find her.
Izuna!
Hello?
Hello, Jude. Jude, we have a problem. Alright? Izuma is looking for Amarachi. You have to keep her tonight.
Oh, are you really sure about this, please? I'm not sure this is a good idea.
Will you shut up? Why are you asking me such a stupid question? I've sent you the money. Finish the job. Do it.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll see what I can do about that.
Jude! What are you waiting for? Go ahead and do it. Do it now. Do it now! Finish it!
Madam, I understand your concern, but according to protocol, we have to give her 48 hours before we confirm her missing.
Officer, I don't care about your bloody protocols. A woman is missing and I know something is definitely wrong. You must start your search now. How much is it going to cost you? So you can start search immediately. How much?
Your Highness, I will start the searching immediately.
Get to work, officer.
Okay, sir.
This evil.
Officer, get to work.
My child have suffered enough.
Hold yourself.
Just hope nothing happens to her. My child has suffered enough. Yes.
Mama, relax. Everything will be sorted out, I promise you. Please excuse me.
What is this, Ezemo? Eh? What is happening to him? Ezemo, what am I seeing?
My king, the spirits of our forefathers have entered the palace. The truth works with us. Is your capital gift? Yes.
I am your mother, Amarachi. I have always been with you, my beautiful daughter.
My mother? No. No, you are not my mother.
That woman raised you, but she didn't birth you. I am your real mother. I was killed before I could nurture you. She saved you.
Killed? By who?
Oh no. He freed me. He lied to the king and I was banished. He took my life in secret. My daughter, it is time for you to go back. You must return back to your father. You are a princess of Omomako. It is time for the truth to be known.
What are you talking about? Me? A princess? That's not possible. I know who the princess is. And that's definitely not me.
You are not alone.
Well, it's too late.
Please don't kill me.
I think it's time for me to do this now.
Whatever she's paying you, I will pay you more. I promise, but please don't kill me.
You think it's that easy? Huh?
I would pay more. I promise. But please don't kill me. Please.
You think it's that simple?
I know you're a good person. Okay, tell me. Is it worth it? Is it really worth it? Taking the life of someone who has done nothing wrong to you? I never did anything to you.
Well, it's too late.
I know you're a good person. Do not let her get into your head, please. Please. Spare my life, please.
Hello?
Please.
Just shut up, please. Just shut up. I said I can't.
Please. Untie me. Untie me, please. Untie me. Don't let her kill me, please. Please just let me go. I won't tell anyone. Please. Please. Please show mercy, please. Please. Please.
Nonsense! This boy is so foolish, he's so stupid. He's an incompetent fool. Just a simple task, he could not carry it out. What is wrong with him? I paid him. I gave him money. It is just simple to do this thing, but no, he will not do it. What do I do now? Hand me over my keys. Open the
My
gate.
princess, please, let me escort you, please.
Escort me. Yes. That will not be needed. Open the gates.
My queen, please, I insist. It is not good for you to drive alone.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Are you?
I'm sorry, my.
Do I look like I need your protection? You're a very stupid boy. Did I tell you I need your escort? Fool!
Shida.
Now that the spirit have left you, can you now speak the truth?
My king, what do you mean?
Do not pretend. You stole from me my gold, my wealth, my wife. Now my kingdom suffers just because of your greed.
Your Highness, we only did what was necessary for the kingdom.
Did I hear you say for the kingdom or for your pockets?
Tell him the truth, Funaya. Tell him it was always our plans that we only used him to get what we wanted.
Oh no, you dare betray me? You were the one who convinced me.
You have always wanted power as much as I wanted it. Do not come here and act innocent.
No, you will regret this.
You brought this whole nonsense upon me.
You will regret this, I bet you.
You will regret it.
You will regret it. It is all your fault.
You will regret it. You let me do this. You know I never wanted to do it.
You are a fool.
You are a bad woman.
You are a fool.
You are a bad woman. My king, forgive me, I've served you for years.
My husband, my love, please have mercy. Please.
You good.
Please, don't kill me. Please.
Joanna, please. You don't have to do this, please. I beg you.
Come on, baby. This is the only way. We need to take this thing out of our way so we can be together, baby. You and I, together forever.
Please don't listen to her.
Please, let's just...
Shh. Don't listen to her, please. Don't do something you regret.
Shut up your mouth! The only thing that you deserve is death!
Please, just calm down.
I didn't do anything to you, please.
Jude, you have to do it right now.
Don't listen
do
to
this
her.
and let's get done with this. Kill her!
I can't do this. I can't.
What is wrong with you? It's Jude.
Please.
Just kill her.
I didn't do anything.
Can you just
please
do this thing and get done with it immediately? What is wrong with you?
Hold it there! Hold it! Hold it! Look at her! Drop it! I said drop it! Shut up your mouth! Shut up! Take it easy, okay? Officer, please don't. I said shut up your mouth. She's pregnant, officer, please.
Izuna, I am a princess. My father is a king.
I said shut up! Shut up! Officer, please. We will move, okay? Just take it easy on us. Move! I said move!
Listen to me. You both are under arrest for the offense of attempted murder and kidnapping. For your own good, remain silent for whatever I say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officers!
Sir.
Take them away.
Izuna, my father is a
Shut up your mouth! Move! Move now! Move! Move!
Officer, I'm ready.
Officer, please.
Move!
Officer,
I said move! I said move! Move now! Move! Continue. Move! Move! I said move! Move! Officer, move!
Are you good?
Thank you.
For my happiness today.
Mama, who is my father? Why did that strange woman come to me in my dream, asking me to find him?
Amarachi, I hid so many secrets from you. "25 years ago, I was in a forest. I saw a woman in labor, and she was almost giving up the ghost. I helped her to birth her child, and after giving birth to her child, she died. So I took the child home. I nurtured her. I protected her. I pampered her like my own. Amarachi,
Mama,
you are that child. Me? You want to know the truth? And I've told you the truth.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for taking care of me. Mama, the man I always see in my dream, I saw his face. He's in Umomaku village. I believe he knows something about my father. He's,
You know what Umomaku? So what do you do now?
I don't know, Mama.
I think you have to go to Umomaku, but not alone. Please, not alone. You'll have to go with the prince. Will he agree to go with you?
I'll ask him, Mama.
At least let this whole thing come to an end for us. I love you.
Now, leave my palace. Leave my palace!
Your Majesty.
I will make sure both of you rot in jail.
It's the work of the devil.
Yeah?
Please.
Did I hear you say my love? See, let me tell you, both of you will rot in jail. I will make sure both of you rot in jail. Now, leave my palace.
It's the one that deceived me.
Shut up. Leave my palace.
This is what you did to me now.
I say leave. Leave.
Your Majesty, please.
Your Majesty, please. Hold. I would like to ask you a question.
Go ahead and ask your question and do it very snappy. I don't have any time to stay with these two idiots in my palace.
Tell me, who is my father? Let me joggle your memory. I am the daughter of the woman whom you murdered 25 years ago inside the bush.
What?
You were her?
Your father is King Keji.
What? What are you saying? No.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry I lied to you. Your first wife never cheated on you with a guard. She was actually carrying your child. Sorry.
And to what do we owe this visit? What do you want?
I need to see the king. I must tell him the truth. You need to see this. I need to show him what I'm carrying.
You cannot see the king. It is an abomination, like you know, for the king to see a banished wife. Now you listen and listen carefully. What you have inside of you does not belong to the king. That child inside of you does not belong to the king. You know it. This seed inside of you belongs to the God. I will advise you leave this place. If the king comes out and sees you here, I will make sure that you pay dearly with your life.
No. I need to see the king, please. Permit me to see the king. This child I'm carrying belongs to him.
I just told you, you cannot see the king. Forget about the king. Forget about everything about the king. Now leave. Leave.
Help me. Oh, please. Help me.
Do you want to die?
Help me.
Do you want to die?
Help me.
Listen, the king will come out soon. I want you out of this place.
Let me talk to the king. He's your brother and he's still your friend. Please help me out. Don't do this to me, please. Oh no.
It's okay. You want to see the king?
Yes, Nai.
Good. You will come with me and I will take you to see the king where no eyes will see you. Now, I said go. Let me take you to see the king.
I killed her. I thought the baby died with the mother, but now she lives.
Oh no. You took my child's life before she now had a chance and you are here talking rubbish. Oh no. You made me chase the love of my life as if she was nothing. How could I have trusted you that much, oh no? If you did not want me to have a child, why then did you introduce Ifunaya to me? What are you doing here?
My king, I'm pregnant.
You are what? How? We just did it once.
I know, my king. It just happened. I did not expect it. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do.
Okay, I understand how you feel. Okay, just calm down, okay? I am going to take good care of you and the unborn child.
Really?
Yeah, will you marry me?
Wow, yes, I will marry you. Okay. I promise to take care of you and our unborn child.
Okay. Don't worry, just go, okay? I'll get back to you.
Okay, my king.
I'll take very good care of you and the unborn child.
Okay, my king.
Okay. Just go. We have done it. The king is yours now. He will now see you as his queen, and nothing will stand on our way.
Yes, we have done it. As long as I stay by his side, no one will ever take him away from me.
I like that. Remember our plan. Don't let him know that the baby is mine.
Never. This baby is the princess of Umamak, and that is it.
I love the sound of that. I love it so much. Let the game begin. Oh no!
Thank you, sir.
Everything is gonna be alright.
Now leave my palace. Leave this minute. Guards! Guards! Come and take this food out of my palace.
Move, move! Your Majesty, please. Move! Your Majesty, please.
Move them!
We didn't know what we were doing.
Your Majesty, please. It's me, oh.
It's me,
Who are you?
Please, my lord.
It's you. Who are you? I said move. Say you are home. Which way are you?
Father! Father, I need an audience. I don't know. These people want to kill your only daughter. Father, deal with them.
Officer, what happened?
I thought she's your daughter. She wanted to kill an innocent girl.
Father, it's a lie. Father, you know I cannot do such a thing. You know me. I can't do that. It's a lie, Father. He is lying.
I hope you know I am not your real father.
No.
Oh no, who here is your real father? Amarachi, my daughter, the princess of Umuamako Kingdom, is in there with the prince.
No, Father.
This is your father. Officer!
Father, no. Father, that witch, she cannot take Mrs. Una away from me and then take my father. She's going to kill her.
Father here! Officer! Move these murderers out of my palace!
Thank you, I am your daughter, Father. You cannot do this. Father, say something!
Move them!
Father, say something! Father, please, I beg you! Your Majesty, please! Your Majesty! Father! Your Majesty, please! Your Majesty, please!
Move!
Your Majesty, please! Father, Majesty, I beg you!
Move!
Your Majesty,
I said move!
Father, please do something! Can you just stop?
Leave my palace! Who are
I
you?
beg you! You can't do this to me! Your Majesty, please!
Move!
Majesty, please! Father, please!
Move!
Officer, this is my
I will
palace.
force you. Move!
Please, Your Majesty!
Who are you? Nonsense. Thank the gods that Amarachi, my real daughter, the princess of Umuamako Kingdom, has finally returned to her father. Nonsense. Oh no, I will deal with you. You will hear from me. You.
Every time I look at you, my soul gets dizzy. Hearing your voice alone makes me happy. Oh, baby, I am so in love. Anytime I look at your face, you're my breathing and reason for my happiness today. Oh, be more, yeah, more. I am so in love. I am so in love. Anytime I look at your face, I can never exchange you with anything in this life, with anyone in this life, my lover. I am so in love. Anytime I look at your face, I will love you till my last breath on this beautiful earth. I got my fucking anya, no number. Oh, be more, oh yeah,